Well, in fact, news just coming in. Threat posters have surfaced in Sopore. A terrorist group has warned mobile phone operators in the area to shut shop. This after equipment installed by terrorists on mobile towers was removed by mobile companies. Well, let's listen into a reaction that we got from the DIG of Sopore first.
देखिए, ऐसा है कि कुछ रोज पहले यहाँ से कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रहा था कि जो कम्युनिकेशन के जो टावर्स हैं उनमें कुछ साइट्स जो है वो शट डाउन हुए थे। तो उसी शट डाउन के चलते हमें कुछ पता चला कि किसी ने आकर के यहाँ पे कोई जो है कोई इक्विपमेंट है वो किसी का कहीं वहाँ से चोरी हो गया है। अब उसी के चलते कुछ जो आर्मर्ड कुछ लोग हैं वो आकर के वेरीफाई कर रहे थे कि वो जो इक्विपमेंट है वो कौन ले गया है। अब उसी का जब भी पुलिस हमारे को जब भी पता चला पुलिस को कि भाई ऐसे ऐसे यहाँ पे जो इक्विपमेंट है कुछ जो कम्युनिकेशन के रिलेटेड है और वो कोई ले गया है, तो उसका अभी हम वेरीफाई कर रहे हैं। अभी पुलिस सोर्सेज से पता चला कि वो आज से करीब 2-3 दिन पहले की बात है। वो हम वेरीफाई कर रहे हैं सारा मसला है क्या, कि किसका था वो इक्विपमेंट और वो कहाँ पे इंस्टॉल किया हुआ था और वो उसको कौन ले गया है।
Mir Farid is on the phone line with us. Farid, we understand a little known outfit known as the Lashkar-e-Islam is believed to be behind these threat posters?
Well, yes, that's right. Lashkar-e-Islam, we haven't heard about this particular organization in the past, but yes, these threat posters have surfaced in many parts of Sopore now. This has a history. In fact, from last 15 days, most of the mobile companies, operators in Sopore had to shut their shops after an incident where 2 to 3 masked men were armed with pistols, had entered these showrooms, threatened the employees, in fact beaten a few of them. Now this, as they were alleging that the equipment that was installed by them on some particular tower went missing. Now after this, definitely it has set the alarm bells ringing for the security agencies, who immediately started the investigations. But since the last 15-20 days, these operators haven't opened their shops. Now things have got further complicated for them after these particular posters, which are not only threaten the mobile operators, but even threaten the locals who have erected towers in their residences or in their compounds of these mobile operators to remove these towers or face the consequences. So definitely a new challenge for the security agencies, but these posters further worsening the situation on the mobile operators who are already facing the heat because of these gunmen, the threats from them, and now these fresh posters that have surfaced in several parts of